So someone asked to make the RoughCut results. RoughCut is an AI-enabled plugin for Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro. All you do is you analyze your sources, you tell the story, you pick your deliverables, and RoughCut will literally make your rough cut inside of Premiere Pro or whatever NLE you use. It's not meant to edit the video for you. It's meant to do the assistant editor work for you, so your life can be more fun. And you can work on the fine details of building a great video. And per request, this is the results of a rough cut, and I'm going to go through the plugin very quickly to show you how it works. I have 4 pre-synced timelines that I want to transcribe and analyze: the owner tour, distiller tour interview, and distiller interview. I'm going to transcribe all of them. After you transcribe your sequences, it takes longer or shorter depending on how long your interviews are. These are 45 minutes of interviews and tours, so it took a little bit of time. Tell the story, you type it in, you add a piece as a deliverable. I just want to do, let's just do a 2-minute mid-form hero cut. I don't want to put any direction. I want to add a shorts batch. Let's just do 6 shorts. And then I'm good to go. You choose your AI model, or you export for Claude or ChatGPT to do it the free way. Ask me about the free way. You do not need to use an API for this, but I do have the Claude thing installed, so this will work. Then you just click Analyze. Claude is cutting my story, and then we'll be right back. And once it's done, it opens up our cuts. Now this is the direct result. Hello everyone, welcome to the Distillery of Modern Art. Our target was 2 minutes. It gave us a 2-minute and 17-second cut with plus 17 seconds. That's a rough cut. It doesn't need to be exact. And if you're happy with this, you can read it and then just hit build in Premiere. Same thing for our shorts. Here's all of our short videos, or you can just build them all at once. Build all in Premiere, 7 sequences. The idea of rough cut is this is a rough cut. You can totally change this. I want to add something to the intro. If I want to add something to the cold open right here, let's add a line. Let's just search for a quote that says hello and welcome to the Distiller of Modern Art. This is where they said it again in a different part of the video. So let's just hit build in Premiere, and I will let the video play to show you what the results are. As you can see, as we scroll here, it's building the hero cut. This is a 2-minute and some change cut. Let's give it a play.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Distillery of Modern Art. Hello and welcome to the Distillery of Modern Art.
Distillery of Modern Art is more or less all of my favorite things under one roof. So the purpose of this building is to create beautiful craft spirits and an elevated experience. When we started this place, the goal was to try to infuse the artistic expression in everything that we do. So from the bottles that we design, to the spirits we produce, to the cocktails that we produce at our bar, the events that we host, down to the art gallery, which we're sitting in now, to help elevate young artists, specifically local artists, in an opportunity to express themselves here. So we're actually entering into our cocktail bar, which is open Thursday through Sundays right now here, but throughout the weekend, we've got live music, we've got chef pop-ups, delicious cocktails, and just a beautiful space to sit in and enjoy yourself.
And that is the majority of what it does. Rough cut is not meant to replace an editor. It is meant to do the assistant editor work inside of Premiere Pro, DaVinci, or Final Cut Pro. It builds your rough timelines, your different hero cuts, long form, short forms for you, so you can easily, as the editor, go in and fine tune and make things perfect to build your story. And now let's say you're on the timeline right here in Premiere and you want to add a quote, and you need to find something about whiskey, this part in the story, because you're missing it, because Rough Cut didn't put it in for you automatically. You need to build your story. In the all quotes section in Rough Cut, you can literally just search for quotes. Everything's been analyzed. Anytime they said whiskey, you can just type it in and it shows up. All the B-roll, there's 22 quotes where they mention whiskey. So let's just grab this particular whiskey quote right here. In here we have our 30-foot, 12-inch diameter beer still, and it actually tells you this is in the hero cut already, this is in the hero cut already, but this one is not in the hero cut. So let's grab the insert button and just toss it into Premiere, and there it is. It's been inserted right there in our timeline where we wanted it. And that is Rough Cut in a nutshell. That is the before and after. Feel free to comment, let me know. If you'd like a link to Rough Cut to try it out for free, just comment Rough Cut down below and I'll send you a link. Otherwise, I'm Max. I'm a filmmaker. I've been doing this for 15 plus years. I run a production company. I work with these tools every day. And I run filmit.io. We work every day to build these tools and make them for editors and animators. We are driving the direction of this company. Developers are obviously helping, but we're building tools that I want to use, that I think other people want to use. And if you have feedback, let us know, and we will build the next tool for you. And if you have feedback, anything you want to say, just join our Discord channel. It's filmit.io/Discord. You can literally talk to me. I do demos of the tools every other night live. People ask questions. People rip some tools apart. It's totally okay. These tools are built for the community, and we're not going to build a tool that is hokey or cheesy. We want to build tools that feel native and work in your workflow that ultimately save you time so you can do more work and have more fun. Like I said, I'm an editor. I use these tools, and just let me know what you think. This has been a lot of fun to build, and I appreciate the community. Thanks, guys.